Imagine a road that could fix its own cracks. That's the magic of self-healing roads. These roads are not science fiction anymore. They are becoming a reality, thanks to amazing advancements in technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing a big role in making these roads possible. AI is like a super smart computer brain. It can learn and solve problems. In the case of roads, AI is helping us build smarter and stronger roads that last longer. This means fewer potholes and a smoother ride for everyone. Self-healing roads are still quite new, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. Let's dive in and learn more about this fascinating technology.
What makes these roads self-healing? How do they manage to repair themselves without human intervention? It's all about the materials. The secret lies in the innovative substances used in their construction. Scientists have developed special materials that can repair themselves. These materials are designed to respond to damage autonomously. One such material uses tiny capsules filled with a healing agent. These capsules are embedded within the road surface. When a crack appears, these capsules break open. The healing agent is then released into the damaged area. The healing agent flows out and seals the crack like magic. This process helps maintain the road's integrity. Another exciting approach uses special asphalt mixed with steel fibers. These fibers conduct electricity, adding another layer of innovation. When the road needs repair, electricity is passed through the fibers. This method is both efficient and effective. The heat generated by the electricity melts the asphalt slightly, effectively closing up any cracks. This ensures a smooth and safe driving surface. These self-healing materials are like a magic potion for roads. They work behind the scenes to keep our roads in top condition. They not only repair the damage, but also make the roads more durable and long-lasting. This means fewer potholes and smoother rides. This means less maintenance and cost savings in the long run. The future of road construction is here, and it's self-healing.
AI is like a tireless road inspector, always on the lookout for damage, tirelessly scanning every inch of the pavement. Sensors embedded in the road collect data about the road's condition, monitoring for any signs of wear and tear. This data is then analyzed by AI algorithms, which process vast amounts of information quickly and accurately. These algorithms can detect even the smallest cracks or defects, often invisible to the human eye, ensuring no damage goes unnoticed. But that's not all. AI not only detects the damage, it can also predict where damage is likely to occur in the future, allowing for better planning. This is done by analyzing traffic patterns